A humanoid robot that can fold clothes? What a time to be alive. Last year, we saw the first version of this robot, and it could do a few things like pick up and stack up boxes, move around obstacles, even pour water into a cup. All of that was impressive enough, but today's update takes things to a whole new level. In a newly released video, the company shows off its latest and greatest update for its humanoid robot figure O2. It can now fold clothes. It's not the most elegant solution, but it works. And more importantly, it shows just how flexible and adaptable this robot really is. Over the course of a few minutes, the robot folds 6 towels, taking about 22 seconds per towel. The results aren't perfect, but they're definitely good enough. And honestly, given the complexity of the task, that's really impressive. Folding clothes isn't easy. It requires a good understanding of spatial relationships, fine motor skills, and precise coordination. It also involves manipulating fabric, which is notoriously difficult because it's so slippery and unpredictable. But the robot seems to have risen to the challenge, showcasing some seriously impressive AI and robotics engineering. What's really driving this achievement is Figure's AI model. Helix, it's a vision language action or VLA model, which means it can understand and generate text and perform actions in the real world based on that text. What makes Helix particularly special, though, is that it doesn't need to build a complex 3D model of objects in order to interact with them. That's a huge deal because it makes the AI much more adaptable and generalizable. It also means that the AI can learn new tasks much more quickly because it doesn't need to be explicitly programmed for each one. We saw this architecture put to use for logistics tasks like moving packages in a warehouse. Now here it is being used for folding clothes. The only difference between these two tasks is a few days of training data. That's it. No structural changes, no additional code, just new training data, and the robot is able to perform a completely different task. This is really exciting stuff. If you're into AI and robotics, you should definitely subscribe to our channel for more updates. So what do you think? Does this robot have what it takes to become a full-time employee at your company? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to vote in the poll. Thanks for watching and see you next time.